Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can create and manage users in Enterprise Search. First of all, click on your profile, then navigate to Settings. On the left, select Users. This will display a list of all existing users. To create a new user, click on Create User. Here, you need to add all the user details. Start by entering the user's name. Then select their role. Following this, input their email address. You can then assign a reporting manager. Next, select a title. Select the appropriate business unit. Choose a team. Next, select a department. Then select their country. Once all the information has been filled out, click on Create User. The user will be successfully created. To manage users, click on the three dots. This will allow you to edit the user, deactivate the user, or delete the user. For bulk user creation, click on Bulk Upload. From here, you can download a CSV file, fill in the user details, and upload it. And that's how you can create and manage users in Enterprise Search. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.